This is Samuel Academy channel. My name is Samuel. This video is about mapping of senior schools in Narok East Constituency in Narok County. The reason for this video is to create awareness of existing schools in the constituency for the benefit of students and parents when selecting schools for grade 10. I did the mapping of the schools in the video by using GIS. GIS in full is Geographic Information Systems. It helps us to understand patterns, relationships, and geographic context. In this video, I will explore the map of the constituency and show where the schools are found. After that, I will explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. This is an instrument that is found in a weather station for measuring relative humidity, and it is also taught in schools. Let me explore the map of Narok East constituency and be able to identify and visualize the location of the schools. In the south of that constituency, we don't have schools in this area, but around this area, in the middle part of the constituency, we have the following schools. We have EOR Enkule Secondary School. Then we have Ola City Secondary School. And near to Ola City Secondary School, we have St. Anthony's Secondary School. As we move towards the north, let me find if there is any schools there. We don't have any other school. So those are the schools we have in that constituency of Narok East. Now I want to explain how a wet bulb hygrometer works. Now, before that, I want to urge you, dear viewer, to share this video widely, to like the video, and subscribe to Samuel Academy to be able to view more videos. This is a wet bulb hygrometer. It is used to measure relative humidity, and it is found in a weather station. It has two thermometers, the dry bulb thermometer and the wet bulb thermometer. The two thermometers are mercury in glass thermometers. The difference between the two is that at the bulb of the wet bulb, there is a muslin cloth wrapped around it. Muslin is MUSLIN. And we also have a wick that is attached on that cloth, and it is immersed in distilled water in this container. So the water rises by capillarity along the wick and evaporates. That evaporation, which takes place around the wet bulb, causes cooling, such that the temperature that is recorded at the wet bulb on the wet bulb thermometer is usually lower than what is observed on the dry bulb thermometer. For example, in this case, the wet bulb temperature is about 18 degrees Celsius, and the dry bulb temperature is between 23 and 24 degrees Celsius. All right, so we have that difference, and we call it the wet bulb depression. It is what we use to determine humidity in percentage by calculating by using a slide rule or by checking from tables, which we call psychrometric tables. So what an observer does is that he takes the readings from the two thermometers at the same time. He reads the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb temperature after every 1 hour, and then he finds the difference between the two, that is dry bulb minus wet bulb. That difference is what he uses to calculate humidity by using a slide rule or by checking from tables which are called psychrometric tables. Dear viewer, I want to urge you to share this video widely for the sake of students who have no access to a weather station. But in this channel, they can learn more about weather instruments and how they work, because they are also taught in schools. And also remember to subscribe to my channel, Samuel Academy, in order to be able to view more videos.